The evolution of the modern web. Most people think HTML is just about tags and text, the basic building blocks we learned years ago. But in the modern web ecosystem, HTML has evolved into a sophisticated performance engine. Basic HTML builds a simple page. Advanced HTML builds a high-performance web application. To move from a beginner to a professional developer, you have to stop thinking about how a site looks and start focusing on how it functions under the hood. Today, we are diving deep into the invisible power of the web, semantic architecture, performance optimization, and native browser components. This is where we bridge the gap between a hobbyist and a senior engineer. Semantic intelligence and SEO. We begin with the concept of semantics. Professional developers avoid div soup, the common but lazy habit of using generic tags for every single element on the screen. Instead, we build a logical document outline using specialized tags like and. This isn't just for code organization, it is the secret sauce for search engine optimization. When a search engine crawler hits your site, it uses these semantic markers to understand which content is a priority and which is secondary. Furthermore, we implement WAI ARIA roles to ensure our applications are fully accessible to screen readers and assistive technologies. This makes the web inclusive for everyone and ensures your code meets the highest international accessibility standards for modern enterprise apps. The performance handshake. Next is what experts call the performance handshake. Media assets, specifically images and video, are usually the heaviest part of any modern website. Advanced HTML doesn't just use a simple image tag. It utilizes the element and the SRCSET attribute. This allows the browser to intelligently negotiate with the user's specific device hardware and network speed. A mobile user on a limited 4G connection receives a small, highly compressed file, while a desktop user on a high-speed fiber connection gets a crystal clear, high-definition asset. By adding the loading equals, lazy, attribute and resource hints like rel equals, preload, we eliminate layout shifts and ensure the browser prioritizes the most important content first. In the modern era of the web, speed isn't just a luxury, it's a fundamental requirement for user retention and conversion. Resource prioritization and meta strategy. But we can go even deeper into the browser's engine. Advanced developers use the section to talk directly to the browser's loading strategy. By using and, you are telling the browser to start connecting to external servers before the user even clicks a link. This shaves milliseconds off of every interaction. We also utilize Open Graph and Twitter card meta tags. These ensure that when your link is shared on social media, it appears as a professional, rich media card with a specific image and description, rather than just a plain URL. This invisible HTML is what drives engagement and trust before a user even lands on your page. The native UI revolution. Finally, let's discuss the revolution of native UI components. For years, developers were forced to bloat their projects with heavy, third-party JavaScript libraries just to build simple interactive elements like modals, accordions, or tooltips. Today, modern HTML gives us powerful native tools like the and tags. These components are baked directly into the browser engine, meaning they are faster, more secure, and use significantly less memory than their JavaScript counterparts. By leveraging these built-in tools, you keep your bundle size lean and your user experience incredibly snappy across all platforms. But theory can only take you so far. To see these advanced concepts implemented in a real-world environment, I'm handing it over to Leo for a deep-dive technical demonstration of these features in action.
Today, we're unlocking 10 secret HTML attributes that most beginners never use, but they can literally transform how you code websites. I'll explain each one slowly with real examples, so grab your notebooks and let's begin. Number 1, the the magic content editable attribute. Just add content editable equals true to any div, paragraph, or heading. Boom. Now users can click and edit text directly on your web page. Perfect for live demos or CMS tools. No JavaScript needed. Here's how simple it is. Number 2. The loading attribute is a game changer. Add loading equals lazy to your images and iframes. This tells browsers to only load them when they're about to appear on screen. Your pages will load 2x faster, especially on mobile. Number 3, frustrated with mobile keyboards? Use input mode equals numeric for number pads, or input mode equals email for the @ symbol. Combine this with enter key hint equals search to change the enter button, perfect for search boxes. Number 4, the secret download attribute. Normally, clicking a PDF link opens it in the browser, but add download and it saves directly to the user's device. You can even rename files like this: download equals my resume PDF. So professional. Number 5, ever seen Google Translate ruin your code snippets? Add translate equals no to prevent translation. Works great for brand names, code blocks, or technical terms that shouldn't be translated. Free spell check. Just add spell check equals true to text areas or content editable divs. Red squiggly lines will appear for typos, no plugins needed. Turn it off with spell check equals false for code editors. Number 7, meet the new popover attribute. Create tooltips, menus, or dialogues with pure HTML. Use popover equals auto on your element. Then control it with popover target buttons. The future is here. Number 8, stop using display none. The hidden attribute semantically hides elements from all users and screen readers. Plus, it's easier to toggle with JavaScript. The decoding attribute. Use decoding equals async for off-screen images so they don't block page rendering. For critical images, decoding equals sync ensures they load immediately. Number 10, create your own attributes with data star. Need to store extra info? Add data user ID equals 123 or data price equals 99. JavaScript can easily access these